ating sineselebrate ang kabayanihan ng ating mga bayani, ating mga veterano, hindi lang yung World War II na mga veterano, kundi yung mga post-World War II veterano na rin. At maganda nga, tama-tama yung tema natin sa taon na ito, yung giting ng bayani, pamana sa salinlahi. Kasi kailangan talagang pangalagaan natin ito. At hindi lang itong kanilang, yung henerasyon ng ating mga veterano noong World War II, noong nakarang malawakang digmaan, ay kailangan hindi natin makalimutan.
Gusto kong bumati dun sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa pagdiriwang na ika-84 na anibersaryo ng pagdiriwang ng Araw ng Kagitingan, para maalala natin yung mga pinagdaanan at pinagsakripisyo ng mga veteran natin during the Second World War. I think we can show the world that in the Philippines we recognize life, recognize freedom, and our adversaries before, the Japanese, are here in order to celebrate with us the meaning of peace and the happiness that brings to celebrating the freedom that we have. I believe that the current administration is fully supporting the moves and programs of the government pertaining to the benefit of the veterans.
Freedom and future of our nation. Lord, on our world,
alone can give them rest.
To our living heroes, our beloved veterans and their families.
In exercise, salat niyo.
Thank you for your sacrifice, and thank you for embodying the very best of our enduring alliance.
84 years ago, Filipino and Allied forces, outnumbered and outgunned, stood their ground. For months, they held the line with steady resolve and dauntless bravery, delaying the advance of an invading force at immense personal cost. And when the defenses finally fell, they faced one of the darkest chapters in our history, the Bataan Death March. Yet even in defeat, the spirit of the Filipinos did not break. The story of Bataan is a cornerstone of our national identity and a guiding light for the generations that follow. And in honoring our heroes who made all of these possible, we must ensure that they receive the care and support that they deserve. Sa panahon ng matinding pagsubok, tulad ng nangyayari ngayon, kailangan natin balikan ang isang mahalagang bahagi ng katangian ng bilang Pilipino, ang pakikipagkapwa. Dapat natin kilalanin na ang bawat isa ay may parehong pangangailangan, may parehong pangarap, at may parehong pinagdadaanan. Sa ganitong paraan, may papalalim natin ang ating tiwala sa pamahalaan, ang ating malasakit sa kapwa, at ang ating pagmahal sa ating bayan. Dahil kapag iniisip natin ang kapakanan ng iba, mas nagiging malinaw kung bakit kailangan tayong magtulungan at magkaisa. Together, we will build a bagong Pilipinas that is steadfast in purpose, united in vision, and worthy of the heroism that today we celebrate.